traders, it's Trend Trader here. Today I want us to look at 3 cryptocurrencies. We'll be looking at the Bitcoin US dollar, Litecoin US dollar, and also we'll be looking at Ethereum US dollar. I'm using Coinbase for these futures, so just so that you know which one I'm using, I'll be using Coinbase. So now, as you can see, let's start with Bitcoin analysis. We previously saw that Bitcoin reached this all-time high somewhere near the 56,000 US dollars, and then it pulled back a bit, and then Bitcoin found a support. We're expecting a support somewhere near this previous high, but we saw that Bitcoin find a support near 44,000 US dollars, which is near this 50-day moving average support there. The moving average acts as a dynamic support. As you can see, Bitcoin had a support here. It also found support here near 28,000, and then recently it found support near 44,000. So now Bitcoin managed to continue to trade high from 44,000 all the way to 56,000 here, which was the previous swing high. So now, as you can see, Bitcoin is showing some kind of weaknesses. So now, if the 50-day moving average continues, we would expect Bitcoin, that's if it does not have strength to continue to go up, we'll expect it to consolidate, come somewhere near the 50-day moving average, and maybe find support there, then continue to trend higher. But the other possibility, of which it's the possibility that we like to see, we like to see some bit of strength from Bitcoin crossing above this 57,000 mark, and then continue to trade higher. So now what we're going to do, we're going to have a buy stop order somewhere here above 57,000, just in case that Bitcoin closed above this level. Then we can take a position with the stop 180R below this level. Then we'll just use the 80R value to calculate our stop level, and then keep the trade moving high. And if the trade does that the buy stop is hit, we wouldn't be surprised if there was going to be a breakout, maybe a breakout retest, and then Bitcoin continue to trading up. So yeah, that is what we are looking at in terms of Bitcoin, is that it can break above the 57,000 mark, retest, and continue to move up. Otherwise, if there is not much strength, it can pull back to the 50-day moving average, which is the current dynamic support. So that is how we'll be trading Bitcoin. So now let's move on to to Litecoin. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we have a Litecoin. As you can see, it also traded up there somewhere near the 250 US dollar mark, and then it pulled back as well, just like Bitcoin. It pulled back to the 50-day moving average dynamic support. As you can see, Litecoin didn't pull back to this level, which is somewhere near around 180. It broke below it, but it found a nice support there. As you can see, there was some price rejection. This candle here showing lower price rejection, and then started to trade higher. So in terms of Litecoin, we're still expecting it to continue to trade higher, at least until it reaches this 240 level again. So we expect it to go higher there, reach that level, and then hopefully it breaks above this level, maybe with a bit of a retest, and then it continue to trade higher there. Otherwise, if it reaches that 240 level but it fails to break higher, then just like Bitcoin, we can expect it to show some signs of weakness, of which it can then maybe find support on the 50-day moving average. So those are the two potential scenarios. We'll be watching both of these. We're still bullish on cryptocurrency, so we're not looking to buy any of the pullbacks. If there's a pullback, then we'll rather wait until that bit of a dip finds support, then we add onto our position. Yeah, we're not shorting the cryptocurrency anytime soon until it shows a sign of weakness. Then now let's move on to the last one, which is the ETH USD. We're also looking at it from Coinbase. So we also see a similar picture, some nice price rejection candle there as it pulled back to this 50-day moving average support. So now it's currently moving up. Well, we still expect it to at least trade and reach the previous highs of 2,000 US dollars, and then a similar scenario, reach that level, find a bit of a resistance there. Some people maybe will expect a resistance and they will be taking some profit, and then we expect the stock to show some bit signs of weakness until it reaches a 50-day moving average. But if we see more bulls in Ethereum and in all these cryptos, then we can expect Ethereum to also cross above the 2000 mark, maybe a bit of a retest and continue to trade high. So basically between Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, we see a similar chart pattern, although that I want to mention that Bitcoin is already at its top level there. So for Bitcoin, we're just waiting to see if it breaks above. That is why we're saying that we will have a buy stop order just in case it breaks above. But for Ethereum and Litecoin, we're still holding on to our position. We're monitoring it. We want to see how far it will go. So yeah, that's it for today for our crypto analysis. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and like this video, as it helps the YouTube channel to reach more people. Once again, thank you.